Hey guys, what's up? It's Heidi. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I thought I would do a little bit of a different format type of video. Instead of doing like a talk through video vlog type thing, I'm going to actually do a voiceover. That's my nephew. Tiggies! But yeah, I thought I would do a voiceover because I've been really liking the way voiceover like videos come out on my TikTok and Instagram, so I thought I would try it for the first time on my YouTube. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy. If you don't, it's okay. I will not make more voiceover videos. I thought I would do a huge bedroom cleaning and organizing video. So yeah, I'm super excited. And without further ado, let's just get started. Tiggies, what are you doing? You guys, I am so upset right now because I filmed all of these videos using the time-lapse feature on my camera for the first time, and it's honestly too fast. So all these clips are like 3 or 4 seconds long. Also, using this feature, almost none of the videos were in focus, as you can see. It's so annoying. I'm actually so annoyed. You have no idea. I thought this was gonna be a cute aesthetic video, but we can pretend it still is. It's just a very short one. If anybody knows how to get this camera in focus while in the time-lapse feature, please let me know. It's the Canon EOS M200. Like, this one's in focus, but the rest weren't, so I don't know. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this really tiny little video, but I did not want to scrap it, so we're gonna upload it anyway. But yeah, I really need to deep clean my entire room, so that's what I was doing. I literally vacuumed my entire room, mopped my whole room, the baseboards, like literally everything, cleaned the mirrors, changed my bedding, all that good stuff. Anyways, okay. Nephew's in the back. I gotta go. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Tiggies?